2012 economics past question. Question number 40. A sugar industry is best located near the source of option A says labor, B says raw materials, C said power, D said capital. A sugar industry. The following factors influences the location of industry. They include proximity to source of raw materials, availability of capital, political stability, external economies or the location of other firms, nearness to the market, availability of labor, nearness to source of power, favorable climate, adequate transport network, government policies. Option B, which is near to the source of raw materials. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.